Welcome to Home Remedy TV. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the notification bell for more videos of this kind. In this video, you will discover 5 foods you can eat today to detox your body. Every spring, most people embark upon some type of spring cleaning to get rid of what they don't need. And once the task is complete, they bask in a sense of accomplishment. As our bodies are our own unique home, they could use the same level of care. And it doesn't need to be just once a year. If you've added a few pounds, struggled with a cold or perhaps are just feeling fatigued, it may be time for a natural detox. In today's video we'll examine 5 foods that can naturally cleanse your body and leave you with a feeling of internal refreshment. 1. Beets. Beets are powerful crimson foods that have the properties necessary to naturally detox our blood and liver. In winter, when we are unable to get out and about as often as we'd like, our bodies can feel weighed down. It's prime time to use this natural cleanser. When you add this immune-boosting food to your diet, you'll be getting plenty of potassium, fiber and manganese. These work together to improve blood flow, and once there's good momentum, you will feel more energized. Another property in beets is the compound betalain. This is the special ingredient that helps neutralize toxins in your body. 2. Bone broth. Warm broth isn't just something we should consume when it's cold outside and we are under the weather. It's a 4-season solution that can provide our bodies with amino acids, vitamins and electrolytes. This broth assists us with anti-inflammatory agents, and since it's easy digestible, our gut will appreciate taking a break. The antioxidants in bone broth get the detox process going quickly, without making us feel weak. You can make it from scratch or take it as a supplement, which comes in a powder form. 3. Berries. Berries are another warehouse of antioxidants. These tasty nuggets can be consumed anytime, day or night, alone or atop our cereal. They possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties that boost our immune system. The goji berry has a fine reputation for improving digestion and aiding in weight loss. Also, the acai berries are well known for their valiant fights in destroying harmful organisms and promoting skin health. 4. Fennel. Fennel is a herb that will cause your irritated digestive system to sing for joy. This sweet plant-based food contains a bountiful supply of phytonutrients, fiber and vitamin C. Its natural antibacterial properties assist the body in fighting infections. Fennel can be consumed raw or cooked. It can even be steeped in hot tea. Many have found therapeutic benefits by consuming fennel essential oil, which has even more potent properties which keep the digestive juices in tip-top shape. 5. Chia seeds. If you are looking for high amounts of fiber, consider chia seeds. They possess 5-6 grams of it per tablespoon. Snacking on a teaspoon of chia seeds will provide 50% of your body's daily fiber requirement. Eating these daily should remedy any constipation issues you may have. Chia seeds won't win an award for their flavor, but if you add them to a smoothie you won't even taste them. But you will notice an added energy boost. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell and share this video to your friends.